Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu, and in this menu you should have this clock icon. Tap on it, and here we can set up the alarms. Let's tap on the plus button to add a new alarm. Now we can set the time on which the alarm should activate, and you can swipe up and down on the screen right here to, oh my bad, let's go back. You can swipe up and down on the hour to set the hour, then on minutes, like that. Once you're done setting your time, tap on the check mark to continue, and here we can select the days on which the watch is gonna be, or rather the alarm is gonna be active. And we have options like once, basically it's gonna ring only once every day, so it's gonna ring every day. Next we have Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Basically we can select specific days on which the alarm is gonna be active. And once you're done customizing this, tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have our alarm. We can turn it on and off by tapping the switch. And as you can see, it's gonna ring on Monday, Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. You can also tap on the alarm, and here we can edit the time or delete it. So if you want to remove the alarm, you can tap on delete and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And that's how you set up the alarm on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.